Hi guys, welcome to my new YouTube video. Today I'm going to be making a fidget toy, which is a puppet. I made this one yesterday. And what you will need is some scissors, tape, preferably clear tape because it works way better and it's way thinner. You can use scotch tape or this kind of tape, like the post, like the ones that you would usually find on cardboard, a cardboard box that you got shipped to your house. So you can have one or two of these, or if it has this many on it, you just need one. So I have two, and I already cut a whole one. I just need to get this letter off in the hole. So yeah, just cut all of these to pieces. Do not cut the circles up though, because that's the part that you're gonna be needing. I just cut this one like this, and then I'm gonna just gonna cut it like that. Then okay, so I just need to do one more. I was just doing like that because my nose is itchy. And you can just cut instead of here if you want to. That's just what I'm gonna be doing because it's way easier. Then you can just half it, just like that. Then I'm done with this side. Then okay, so it doesn't matter if you have different sizes. Like say this one. Okay, this one is bigger than this one. Doesn't really matter. Just put it lower. Don't put it in the same area. And then you need to cut out all the things around the circle. And try to get it even looking. Sorry guys, this is taking a long time. I don't know why. Okay, I'm done with this one. It needs to be just like that. It does not matter if it's not perfect. I'm trying to see how. I think that looks pretty good. Or I can just cut like the big pieces and then you just like do like that. Then one edge, then this edge, then. You don't have to cut it perfectly. I'm just trying to cut it perfectly because I'm on a YouTube video. But, yeah. This is how I did the other one. Or you can just leave it how it is and then you put tape all over it. Then you just pop it. That's what I should have done. But I'm taking the hard way out. And you don't have to take all of the little stuff like off of it around it. You can just cut it like that if you want to. That's what I'm gonna do for the rest of these. That. You can just cut the edges if it's like really tiny. Like this one right now. To make it like a circle, more circular. I'm sorry guys, it's taking me so long to cut these. Just because, I don't know why it's taking me so long. Just cut it. You don't have to cut it like all. You could just cut it like a square, like more even than this one though. Like I said, it doesn't matter. I only have 4 more left, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, 4. Gonna be 3 after this one. There we go. I only have 2 more left. I'm not gonna use this one just because it's like a square. Okay, I'm done cutting. Thought that was gonna take forever. I mean, dang. And after this YouTube video, I'm gonna be probably making more. I don't really know yet. So yeah, I have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16. I have 16 of them. Look. Okay, so you just need a piece of tape or a few pieces of tape. It doesn't really matter. Trying to find the tape. I mean, like the piece right here. This smells disgusting. Let's go see if all of these fit on here. Oh crap, not these. Probably not gonna have to use all of this. I'm doing it kind of in the middle. Not really. Ah! Let's see if I have any more. No, I do not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And where'd the 16th one go? I'm like so confused right now. So now I'm just gonna take this off right here. That's how it looks right now. So now that's how it looks. I'm just gonna cut this off right here. I'm gonna just there. Then I'm just gonna like this piece right here. And then you just need like, sorry guys, I'm trying to find it. Here it is. I'm gonna take this right here. I'm not gonna use that piece just because it's like so uneven. I'm gonna take this piece like that, this big. I'm gonna cut it right here. I'm gonna put it like I'm just gonna bend it like that. Then I'm just gonna take that side, and then I'm gonna. Okay, I got another piece. I think that's how big the other piece was. Just gonna put that down. No, that's not long enough. Cheat. I said cheat, not S-H-I-T. Wait a minute. Yeah, I think that's about long enough. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna put it down all the way. Then I'm just gonna like take this piece. Then I'm gonna just take this off because, or I can just take this off if you want. It does not matter, okay? I'm gonna take this off just because it's too thick feeling, and I don't want it to be thick, like how it's feeling. So just do like this. Bye guys, hope you love my video. See you next time.